Haikal bin JUBRI. My matric number is 279881. I'm from Group Tiger and our topic is nature. Today my partner and I will explain about logging forests. So basically, nature is everything around us. It provides the beauty to our environment. Without the amazing gift of nature, the human life would have a dull and meaningless. Nature is one of the best, precious and noblest gifts of God. Nature has so many things which have been given to us for our benefits. Therefore, it is our duty to respect and conserve natural things for the betterment of future generations. Nature is all the animals, plants, other things in the world that are not made by people, and all the events and processes that are not caused by people. However, due to excessive forest exploration by humans, the quality of nature is increasingly affected.
Thank you, Haziq, for the information. Before I continue, I am YASMIN binti OTHMAN and my matric number is 275702. Nature is the phenomena of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals, the landscapes, and other features and other products of the earth as opposed to humans or human creation. In this modern time, we can see our nature is not beautiful as usually, and the quality of the environment is deteriorating because many people did not care about our nature due to the development activities that carry out. The reason why our environment destroyed is that among them is logging. Logging is the felling, hauling, on-site processing, and loading of trees or logs on truck. In forestry, the term logging used in a limited form in connection with the logistic of moving timber from stump to area outside the forest, usually a sawmill. In addition, logging is also known as illegal logging because people are making illegal harvesting, transportation, purchase or sale of logs. The harvesting technique itself could be illegal, such as entering the forest in the wrong ways, unauthorized withdrawal from or into protected areas, destructions of protected species, or timber production exceeded the agreed upon limit. Factors of logging on nature have three, which are: wood is in higher demand, logging is a source of national income, and the development of an urban area. Factors that encourage the logging on nature are that wood is in higher demand. Higher demand for wood because the domestic market used for ball mills, furniture and paper mills. For example, factories in Malaysia are Pahang, Sabah and Sarawak. In addition, the overseas markets in higher in the form of plywood, log and sawn timber. This timber exported to foreign countries such as Japan, Thailand and Singapore. Secondly, is a source of national income. The logging industry is one of the key industries that can help the government improve its revenue. The source of national income is logging product exported out of countries such as Japan, Singapore, and Thailand. Higher logging price in the international market contribute to the country's source of income through the inflow of foreign currency. Lastly, the development of an urban area. Login activity leads to the existing of an area into a new city, with the contractions of factories encouraging a city to be the focus of the population by providing employment opportunities. The impacts of logging on nature have three, which are the destructions of habitats, ecosystem and biodiversity. Second is increase the rates of erosion, and lastly, the destructions of water catchment areas. The impact of logging on nature is a destructions of habitats, ecosystem and biodiversity. The various species of flora and fauna are threatened with extinction and destruction due to excessive logging. When forests are destroyed, tree function as major produce will be destroyed, and life that depends on plants such as herbivore will lose food source. Damage to the ecosystem such as the destructions of the food chain and energy cycle of biotic and abiotic components will disrupt the local ecological equilibrium in the future. When forests are destroyed, there will be widespread ecological damage. Secondly, it increases the rates of erosion. The effects of logging also contribute to the occurrence of soil erosion. When forests are cut down, tree roots no longer grip the soil beneath the earth's surface. When there are no roots to grip the soil, causing the soil structure become loose. When it rains, the flow of rainwater will cause the soil structure to become soft and smooth. The soft and slippery soil will move down the heat slope and landslide will occur. Landslide not only damage forest ecosystem but also endanger human life. Lastly, the destructions of water catchment areas. The deforestation for logging has reduced the water infiltration rate into the soil and lowered the water level in the soil. This will affect water catchment areas and water supply to river, lake, ponds, and swamp. For the example, the forest as a sponge absorbs water and drains water.
Measures to overcome the problem are to hold activities such as exhibition, campaigns, and competition. The relevant parties can hold exhibition on environmental pollution. The exhibition can cover environmental issues, the cause of pollution, its effect, and what can be done to reduce the rate of pollution. Environmental related campaigns can also be held. Participants will be taught about the importance of caring for the environmental and ways to manage waste so that it only causes minimal pollution to the environment in these campaigns. In addition, competitions such as quizzes on environmental pollution can increase knowledge and awareness of protecting environment helped by the parties concerned. With the competition, participants will try to understand what is pollution. They will gain such knowledge in the process. They may also be looking for solutions to pollution problems. Through the competition will bring benefits to the participants and environment. This can make the community aware of the disadvantages of illegal logging to the environment. In conclusion, although our country is developing centrally as well as advantage in various fields, many people are not aware that it also brings side effects to the environment. The Earth's ecological system and erosion have been disturbed by illegal logging activities. Humanism has no value sensitive to social issues in society is a major cause of environmental destruction. Therefore, we must be responsible for the environment. Thus, environmental problem can be eradicated.